Hey guys, guess what? We have a new member of the Sharyn Zoo. This is Bird. I just adopted Bird from a wonderful, wonderful family who absolutely loved Bird. Yes, Bird is the name, but was very, very nasty with them and they couldn't touch him. So I just brought him home and he's a mush. So I don't know, maybe he just wasn't happy in the spot he was. I don't know, but they love him so much. Oh, baby. So anyway, guys, we wanted you to meet Bird. Bird is a parrotlet, just like Toby and Tammy. So maybe one day I could put them all together. But his eyes are closing because he's a little stressed. So he's showing me he's tired from it. It's very stressful on a bird to change a home. But he's going to be just perfect. I know, sweetie. So anyway, guys, we wanted you to meet Bird, the new member of the Sharyn Zoo. Look at the colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.